Alright, 4, we want to solve for n in each of the following cases. So, A, we have 2 to the nth equals 32. So 2 to some power will equal 32. So what you can do is you can look up a power table, which I'll show you that here. Just Google search a power table. Now I know that this is 2 to the 5th, but it's like a times table. You can search power table, and it will give you multiple powers. Let me see if this is it. No, this is not the one we want. Yeah. So this is the number. This is squared, so to the second power, third power, fourth, fifth, and so on. This isn't the best one. There's probably a better one. Let me look at some of these images. See if I can find one that I like. Yeah, this is a pretty good one. Okay, so it shows you 1 up to the 10th power, 2 all the way up to 10 to the 10th power. We were looking at 2, we're looking for 32 right here. 2 to the 5th power is 32. So now that we know that, we can say 2 to the nth is equal to 2 to the 5th. And that lets us know that n equals 5, once we can write it in the same form. Alright, B, I'm looking for something to the second power to be 36. So again, we'll pull up this power table, and I'm looking at the second, the squared. Something squared is 36. This is a common one, so 6 squared. And we can go back and write n squared equals 36, which is 6 squared. The 2's are the same, so now we're focusing on the bottom. N equals 6. This one you can actually work backwards and do square root of 36, and that'll give you 6 as well. So here, insert 6. This one is a property of exponents. You got to go back and remember that property. We have 2 to the nth times 2 to the 6th equals 2 to the 4th. And so when you multiply, you add the exponents. So we have base 2, which we can't see that. We'll have n plus 6, and that equals to the 4th. So we're just focusing on solving this equation. N plus 6 equals 4. And we would subtract 6 from both sides, and that would give us n equals -2. So -2 is what we want in this case. And then D will be very similar to that, same thing. We're going to do 2 to the nth times 2 to the 6th equals 8. Okay. This time we want to rewrite 8 as a power of 2. So we'll have 2 to the n plus 6 equals 2 to the 3rd. So you can go look that up. 8 is equal to 2 to the 3rd on a base of 2, because we already had a base of 2. So we're going to solve n plus 6 equals 3, just the top part. Subtract 6, and that gives us n equals -3.